Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Considering the numbering of the messages, I'm going to analyze DXY, EURUSD and GBPUSD for the coming week. As a beginning, we are going to look at the economic calendar. So what do we have to face during this week? As we can see, on Sunday we had a bank holiday from Australia, so probably it will be closed also on Monday. During the day, we have a bank holiday also for Canada, as you can see here. All the other data will be very soft. So tomorrow we are going to have a very boring day overall. The market may move probably from any news that may be shared during the day. On Tuesday, we don't have any strong data again. As you can see, all of these are very soft data. The market will not move too much. And we have only one important data from Germany during the European morning, the consumer price index, so the inflation data. And later on during the day, everything is almost empty. So both these days, Monday and Tuesday, we have to be very careful. The trading volume will be very low, and this is also related with the current month that we are right now in August. Also for Wednesday, we may see that during European night or early morning, we have consumer price index from China. These are going to impact mainly the Australian dollar and in a way also New Zealand dollar, but mainly Australian dollar. And the next one will be inflation expectations from New Zealand during the European morning. After that, all the day will be empty again. So the market will be focused only on this news during Wednesday. What I have seen was that the most important part of the week will be focused on Thursday data. It will be related with the inflation numbers from the US. It was 4.8%, and it is expected that the inflation may slow down to 4.7%. So probably the focus could be on Thursday. And also on Thursday we have a bank holiday also for Japan, as you may see. So everything is blank again. And on Friday we have GDP data from UK during the European morning, during the London market opening. And during the end of the day we have some other data, producer price index, ex energy and food, and also Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. Usually this moves the market not too much. It's a good indicator, but not for a big focus again. So probably it is worth not to trade at all during these hours. So the week is has very soft data. I think that the main focus will be only in this part, consumer price index on Thursday for the US, and also during Wednesday these hours here, so during the European morning hours. So let's see what is going to happen, and let's be careful. From the currency perspective, so from the technical perspective, we are going to look at Euro USD, GBP USD, and dollar index. On the first one, on the Euro USD, I'm looking at for this pattern to develop more. However, after the softer US data for the non-farm payroll that we had during Friday, price reacted against the US dollar. However, it was stopped very fast during Friday. So as you may see here, for Euro USD, price didn't increase too much. After this bounce that was created during the news event, it was a 100 pip movement, price faced resistance again. So this is a very strong and important zone, close to 1.1045. So far, if the price will manage to develop below this zone, we may see that, considering that we don't have many important data, the price may come down again, and in this way we may see also a bigger correction before the next movement that probably could be down or up. I'm still focused on the bearish movement so far, and probably the bullish movement tomorrow or during the coming days will begin only if the price will bounce above 1.1045 and later it can continue to increase further. So this is the only bullish scenario that I see so far. If this area is going to hold, then the price will develop only in this zone. Considering that also the economic calendar will have soft data for the coming week, the chances are very high that we may see only any corrective movement for Euro USD. So let's move on the GBP USD. During the previous week, I posted this analysis. It was at this point. As you can see, price tested the first target, increased again, and reached both targets after that. In the current conditions after the US data, I'm going to delete this so far. On these conditions, for GBP USD, you can see that the price already faced a very strong resistance zone. This zone is located between 1.2795 and it's a bit big zone that it may be located in this way. So 30 pips so far. If price is going to stop again in this zone, look at how the price reacted when it came down. So faced strong support and it bounced. Later again the price increased, and after this area was broken, price moved down again. So this is increasing the chances that it may work out on the opposite side this time. As long as the price faced a resistance, the chances are very high that it can move down again. However, the picture is not clear overall. We have to be very careful. The price will continue to increase only if it will manage to break through this zone, and a move above 1.2795 will create a possible bullish movement. And in this way, we may see the price to reach the second zone, that is close to 1.2870, and the next one close to the top of the structure again. So this is a possible scenario that we may look at for a bullish movement for GBP USD. If the first and the most important area will stop the price at this moment, the chances will be very high that we may see GBP USD to extend the correction a bit more before it will continue with the bearish movement. So it is not a clear situation. So far we need to wait and to see for more price development, but the bullish movement has chances to develop after confirmations. So in this situation for Euro USD and for GBP USD, we are in a possible correction so far and we have to wait. For the dollar index, since the previous analysis that I have shared for this one, the price reached the first target and came down. And also on the dollar index, the only data is that the price is already facing a very strong support zone close to 101.6. If this is going to hold, the chances will be very high. The dollar index may increase up to the first target, but also up to the second target as well. However, my expectations are that the chances could be the dollar index may reach the first target, but considering that the economic calendar will be empty, we may see possible corrections. So probably during Thursday that we have the CPI data from the US, we may see the next price movement for all the USD pairs. So that's all that I have prepared for dollar index, Euro USD, and GBP USD. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Thank you. Bye bye.